Namaste, everybody. Happy New Year. Look behind me right there. You guys see those stairs? Finally. Almost done. My wife's like, hey, I need you to throw away these throws. So I just put them on these chairs up front. Woo. Hey, vision board's coming up, guys. So if you want to check it out, it's going to be on YouTube. My wife and I are going to do it. Usually, we do that within the community. But because of COVID and everything that's going on, we're just going to do it in our home. So once the video is up, I will post it and let you know. So start just gathering all your stuff, man. It's been kind of a struggle for me to get all the magazines I want. So I think this year it's going to be a little bit of different. It's going to be one of those vision boards that kind of grow with us. I love this creek. It does kind of freak me out. At night, I will be honest, when the ice starts to shift and freeze and it makes all those kind of like spooky, crazy noises. But otherwise, it's just so amazing. So, if you have questions or anything, I'm going to post kind of the to-do list of objects, things to purchase. You guys see my stairs? There they are. Little planner I built down on the bottom. So I'm not for hire because I don't even know how many months I've been working on that project. But, I tell you guys all the time, time-based activities. Take your time, don't get in a rush, don't be in a hurry, and do what's best for you. To me, the most important thing is being healthy for my family and being able to go out in nature and go for a hike. So that's my number one priority. Everything else around that is kind of, secondary. So what are your number one priorities for this year? Start thinking about your visions, your dreams, those things that you want to accomplish. Maybe you view it as a goal. And let's get working on this vision board. Love you guys. I hope you have a great day.